Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a product that will enhance your VR gaming experience, the adjustable comfort head strap for Meta Quest 3S, Quest 3, and Quest 2. We found this product online and have included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what makes this head strap stand out. Designed specifically for the Meta Quest series, this adjustable comfort head strap is an elite replacement option that offers enhanced support, reduced facial pressure, and an overall improved immersive experience. Whether you're gaming for hours or creating in virtual reality, this accessory is crafted to elevate your experience. One of the standout features of the adjustable comfort head strap is its universal compatibility. With 2 sets of connection fasteners included, installation is seamless across all compatible models. The ergonomic design is particularly impressive, reducing facial pressure by up to 40%. This means that whether you're battling through levels in your favorite game or exploring new worlds, you'll feel more comfortable and less fatigued. Another key feature is the precision adjustment capability. The double knobs and 360-degree rotatable dial allow for a customized fit for head circumferences ranging from 17.8 inches to 29.6 inches. This means both kids and adults can find their perfect fit. The lightweight and adjustable top strap redistributes weight efficiently, making it ideal for those long marathon gaming sessions. Comfort is essential for any VR experience, and this head strap delivers just that. The slow rebound cotton cushions, which are 0.67 inches thick, provide enhanced support and pressure relief. The breathable fabric ensures that even during extended use, you won't feel overly hot or uncomfortable. It's perfect for VR fitness enthusiasts or anyone planning to engage in 2+ hour adventures in virtual reality. Durability.